Hi guys, this is video 2 for the independent challenges on page 21 and 22. You need to do independent challenge 1 and independent challenge 2. So there's actually 4 things that you'll be turning in this week. These are pretty fast, so I'm not worried about running out of time. So let's jump right in. It tells you on page 21, step 1, open the file example 1-3. So we jump back into our data files. Let's take a look here. We are in week 1, data files 1-3 it wants us to open and save it as real estate. Okay, so let's go file open. They didn't give us much to work with here, but okay. File save as 1-3 real estate AQUISI. TIONS. Okay. Enter the table data. All right, we can do this really quick. And right below it, it wants property address is 1507 PNO Lane, and then 32. You can enter it any way you feel fit. The ABAR way. 60 Pottery Lane. 902 Excelsior Drive. A little hard to see, so I'm going to make my column bigger. Our price, look at these prices. 575, 123. These are big prices. 429, 23, 526, 500, 315, 123. All right, bedrooms. We have 4, 3, 2, 4. Okay, bathrooms. I'm just entering the data. 5, 4, 2, 3. Area. We have NE, SE, NE, NW. Okay, number C. It says use page layout to view and create a header with the following components. So we come back here. We'll go to page layout. You'll see add header shows up and it wants the title real estate acquisitions. Okay, and then it wants your name, Katie O'Connor. All right. Let's go back to view normal. Create formulas for totals in CE, okay, through C6 through E6. So this wants a total, so we'll use the sum function to add these guys up. See, and then we know that we can come over here and drag from the corner to do the same formula for the next 2 columns. Save your changes, turn it in. Easy peasy, guys. That one took all of 2 minutes. So your second independent challenge is start Excel, create a new workbook. So file, new, and okay, switch to an appropriate view, then add a header that contains your name. We just did this, so we know we need to come over here to our page layout, add a header that contains your name in the left text box. Luxury Motors in the middle. Okay, so let's do a Katie O'Connor over here. You guys all know how to do this. We'll come back to our view. All right, so let's exit out of this header footer. Perfect. I want to go back to normal. Good. In figure 122, to create labels for at least 7 cars in the manufacturer and sales for 3 months, including other labels. The car, make, and model should be in column A. Okay, so guys, you know how to do this. I don't need to type out all of this data for you. I will just get you a little bit started here. So sales for quarter 1, you're typing the data that is right there in figure 122. You have a make, we have Acura, and then 166, I'll do the first row, 50, 160, 123, 165, 12, and then this will be my totals over here, which we know we use the sum function and add all of those up. So all you're going to do is continue that same work all the way down. Acura, Honda, Integra, Lexus, Mercedes, Nissan, Toyota, and then a totals column. And then it wants another total column right up here. So you're going to end up with a total column in E and then a total column along the bottom in number 11. That is all you need to do for number 4 and so, or for Independent Challenge 2. And then you go ahead and turn that in. You don't need to do Independent Challenge 3. So I'm not going to go any further. These how-to videos should really get you started. And if you get lost, please let me know. And I will be happy to help you out. So please email me with any questions. You have the 4 assignments. You have page 1 through 17, chapter 1. The skills review, page 19 and 20, which is all in video 1. This is video 2, and this is your independent challenges 1 and 2. 1 you're using the data file for and just doing sum functions. The second one, you create a brand new sheet, type in all that data that you see in the figure in your textbook. I didn't do that for you. I just kind of gave you an overview that you type in the data and then you do the sum down the one column and sum along the other. All right, I hope these help. Please let me know if you have any questions and have a good rest of the day, guys.